My name's John, welcome to another Sunday night nightcap. Once again I've changed introduction. This time I've kept the fast moving pictures and I've put the original soundtrack back on because I do like that music. I had a mixed response from last week's and I think this is a happy compromise. Anyway, if you like it, let us know. If you don't, let us know, but I think it's going to be staying just the way it is. Right, tonight's nightcap is all machining. There's no plasma cutting because my plasma cutting table is all in bits. It's going to get modified to make it twice as long. I'll have a quick look on the shed up there. You can see what I've done. I've taken all the casting table and the bench out of there. I haven't stopped casting. I've just moved all the stuff to my friend's mixed place because he's got the sort of space that we all dream about. Anyway, I'll have a quick look on there. I'll take the camera up and show you what's been going on. The first thing I want to do is the door for the 6-inch micrometer from last week. I've got to do it myself because Deb's away on holiday in Lanzarote with her mum, so I'm home alone. I've got a couple of days off work to try and get my plasma table sorted out, so that should be all done for next weekend. Right, the name I've got here is Ian Clapham. Right Ian, all you have to do, send me an email and I'll get that put in the post for you as soon as possible. One of my viewers, a lad called Peter Ellison, sent us in 2 black books, 3rd edition metrics. I'm going to keep one and I'm going to put one for this week's raffle. They really are a handy book. There's a vast amount of information in there. You'll be surprised how much you use it. Once again, if you want a chance of winning this, all you have to do, send me an email. That's my email address up there, containing your name, your whole name, like John Mills, not just John. Your name goes into the bucket. If you win that, I'll post it off to you. If you win it, you don't want it, give it to someone that can use it. I mean, what am I going to do with 2? I might as well give one away. Point is keeping 2. I can only look at one at once. This is the black book for this week's giveaway. The information here is absolutely amazing. There's a ton of information. I wish I knew all of this. Angles, drills, tapping, charts, you name it. If you need to know about it for machining, you'll find it in there. There's been some progress on my dad. He's out of hospital now. He's in a care centre with other people of a similar sort of age with similar sort of disabilities, and he seems to be doing alright. It's getting to the stage where now he's walking, he can't really walk, so he's sort of transitioning into a wheelchair, and he's going to need to go into a different accommodation to his bungalow, unfortunately. But he's alright. I keep mentioning all the people that send well wishes in. He thinks it's absolutely fantastic, and once again I must thank everybody who's sent their well wishing towards me, dad. Anyway, it really is much appreciated. I've got an automotive type job here. This is a jack shaft pulley or an auxiliary drive shaft pulley of a Volvo race engine, or at least it's going to be. I've got it modified, then we're going to go and get vapor blasted and coated. It's a much wider pulley than the standard one, and they run a wider cam belt. Obviously a wider cam belt's a lot stronger than a narrower cam belt. Anyway, what I've got to do is machine a recess in here 1.5mm deep with an OD of 36. Now that on there is already basically at 36. Come on, John. It is just about on 36, so we'll be machining that off. 36mm recess, 1.5mm deep. That's quite a lot of meat on the pulley. The lad assures me it'll be alright, so all I want to do is machine it. I've cleaned it up on a wire wheel just to get it a face there. I can run a clock on, and that face there we're going to go flat against the chuck. I'll use a 4-jaw chuck. Put a centre in here and line the centre up just to make sure it's running concentric, nice and true. I'm going to use this little centre just to initially line it up. Basically hold square against the chuck, wind that into there, and that'll sort of hold it in the centre while I get a nip on the chuck. Obviously I'm going to have to put some packing pieces in. I don't want to damage the lad's gear. So we'll put a little nip on each one just to hold it. Not a million mile away. We'll put a clock gauge on and see exactly where it is running. Check on this face first. And that's within a couple of thoughts. Obviously there's some corrosion on there which is picking up on, but that's basically running true. Now we need to make sure it is running concentric. Concentric's not a bad word for me for a Thursday night. Just use the centre as a and you can put a clock gauge on there and dial that in, and that means it's going to be running nice and true. It's not far away. As you can see, I'm still using the Banggood arm. It's doing the job for us. It's been no problem at all, really. I quite like it. Some people put the clock gauge on the top. I like to do it this way. I find it easier for the camera to pick up this way. So basically we've got 5 thou. So all we need to do is find the hydro, which is that one. Just give it a little nip. Hydro again, which is that one. It's getting worse, but we are nipping up the aluminium packing pieces. We will get there. Somewhere near now, a couple of thou. That one. Make sure you're all tight. Right, that one there. Right, that's pretty good, half a thou. Any better than that, I've got a clock gauge and no insides in. Try it once more on the other face just to make sure. I think we can get better than that. We'll find a high point. It's kind of floating around on the rust and the crud that's on there. As good as it's going to get. Put our centre in again just to make sure. So quick and easy it's just to use. Made it worse today. Right, that's the one. The first thing I'm going to do is turn that little boss off there, just so I've got a nice flat face to work to. This is cast. It's horrible. I thought it would have been steel, but it's not. Definitely cast. Different tool for that. Right, I'm going to zero the DRU at that. Now I'm going to go in for 1.5 mil. Right, so I've got a zero. Half a mil first. Just get somewhere near the depth, and we've got a nice shoulder we can measure on. It actually locates on the centre part of the shaft. This is just to get it further in so the belt run lines up. So it's not a critical fit on the shaft. 34.8. So we need to come out 1.2. I'm going to find a tool with a much squarer point on so I can get into there a lot better than that. Right, we're on 36 there, slightly over that will do for John. Zero the DRU at that. We need 1.5 and we've got 1.04, so we need a little bit more. Not the best finish in the world on there. Speed things up a little bit. I've still got a funny's hair to play with. That's better. I'm just going to break that edge. I need to put a countersink in there. I'll do that first. I'm going to clean this up with a little remedy tape. If you aren't confident in doing this, go and do it. Go and poke your finger in the hole. That's better. Well, that's what he wanted, but there isn't a fantastic amount of material left there. I'm saying that it should be sufficient. This modification has been done before, so